Hi, my name is Phoebe and I'm an ocean scientist here at Aqua. So today we're going to be running through some of your frequently asked questions relating to our passive acoustic recorders, the Porpoise and the Orca. The Orca has 5 synchronized channels and 16-bit recording, whereas the Porpoise only has 1 channel but 24-bit recording. The Orca is also capable of onboard data processing and third octave analysis. So the Porpoise is available in 2 different versions. You have the integrated and the external hydrophone versions. So what that means is, like this one here, you have a hydrophone integrated into the end of the Porpoise, whereas with the other one you can use any hydrophone that you would like. We recommend the GeoSpectrum Technologies M36 range. So the integrated hydrophone is single point calibrated, whereas the external one, specifically if you're using the GeoSpectrum hydrophone, have a multi-point calibration. So the recommended applications for the integrated hydrophone would be marine mammal projects and that sort of observation type stuff, whereas the external hydrophone we would recommend for more high specification projects or defence applications. So the battery capability of the Orca and Porpoise is dependent on a number of different factors, from whether you're using continuous recording or a duty cycle, whether you're recording at a really high sampling frequency or quite a low sampling frequency. And in the Orca's case, this is also dependent on how many channels you're using and whether you're storing to SD or SSD memory. So the Orca has a much larger form factor and it houses 72 D cells, which can be either lithium for longer deployments or alkaline. Whereas the Porpoise actually has 12 AAA batteries inside of here. We found that you can get a couple of days with continuous recording out of these internal batteries, and if you want a longer deployment we can supply an external battery canister. We've also recently released the 84D Porpoise, which has a similar large housing as the Orca, and this is built for much longer single channel deployments. Please contact RS Aqua directly for any help with battery calculations. So the highest sample rate on both Orca and Porpoise is 384 kHz, and we expect the highest recorded audio frequency to be 160 kHz, and we expect excellent data within the 10 Hz and 160 kHz range. We often find that the highest recorded frequency is 190 kHz using the 384 kHz sampling rate. As a general rule, we recommend using double the sampling rate as the frequency you want to record. Both of the Orca and Porpoise can provide real-time data, and that is via an Ethernet cable plugged in here. We recommend streaming the data over no more than 100 meters of Ethernet cable. Both of the Porpoise and Orca recorders can be supplied as OEMs or board stack versions, which can allow easy integration. We have actually integrated these board stacks into a number of different projects now, one of these being the GB Row rowing boat, which is aiming to sail around the UK in record-breaking time and create a full landscape of data, and the IBM Autonomous Mayflower ship, which is sailing across the Atlantic and collecting real-time scientific data. We have also integrated the Porpoise onto commercially available vehicles such as the Alcimar Sea Explorer glider and also Seaba's AUV called the Yuko. So that's all from me. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to get in contact with us or visit our website.